All right, so we're out here installing the Expedition Essentials little mount kit. Started to mock it up. I got a ticket. Fuck the police. I'm sitting here. This thing goes on like so. Now the interesting part, obviously it covers the clock. Kind of a pain in the ass, but I'm gonna have an iPad and some other shit on here. Some real Gucci stuff. Over here you gotta kind of make sure these generally line up, which they do. I got these LED lights from Morimoto. They actually make a huge difference when doing stuff like this. But I marked it up this way. Before, in the video, they didn't really mock it up that way. They kind of just said, follow the curvature of this. Definitely mock it up. So you can see where the beautiful Columbia sticker is. So anyway, that's the first part. And now we get to move on to the second, which is using a Sharpie and drilling some holes. Yeah. Right, so now we're gonna remove the temperature control panels. Product placement of Frosty Guinness. Top of the morning to you, laddie. And may the blood in our veins be as green as a shamrock.
I'd like to take this chance to apologize to absolutely nobody. The double champ does what the he wants.
I don't know if that's actually how they talk, but that's how I imagine they talk at the Guinness factory. Well, I think you gotta pull on this, but I might just have fucking weak ass bitch hands.
They're delicious.
Well, thank you, my child. I made them by hand.
Huh. Okay. Let me try with two hands and I'll be right back with you. Alright, some motherfucking status update. I'm in here. Fucking rip this thing off from this side like a goddamn gorilla. Where are the zookeepers indeed, Karen? Yes. I may or may not have used that little piece to pry it. But it's off. Now you can take this thing out. Those aren't heroin needles, by the way. Those are bug bites from La Finca in Medellin. Anyway, I have to pull this thing out, and I think I gotta pull on these two knobs. So, I don't know. We'll find out. Update, I pulled on the knob. Update, pull on this. Thank God. Oh man, I'm stupid. All right, so now we gotta take these bolts off. Farmer's friend. Just get in there nice and straight like, oh son of a bitch, the lights are off. What do I do now? Hold on. All right, dudes and dudettes, we're back in business. And a little bit of a turn. Oh wow, look at that. Coming right off. Wow. Good for strength. 1,000.
It's over 9,000.
Uh-oh. Now this one's a little bit of a doozy. Oh, there we are. Just break them nice and loose. Wow. So, you know what I always like to do is make sure you retain your fasteners. And there's a nice little cubby right there for your shifting. You can just go right ahead and throw them in there. Sounds like a good time. So now that I've learned how to steal someone's radio, and I got it on the draftsman's table. Hey Alexa, turn on infinity mirror. Flex. now we get to do a little step drill action. And this bad boy, look at that, M18. I've used it twice. It's very nice. Very exciting. Okay, so everything is in loosely because we hold on loosely, but don't let go. So we got these guys in here. We can move them around still. These guys are in loose. These bigger, shorter ones go in here and then in the faceplate. And then these longer or skinnier ones, focus you fuck, go in here. And they have a washer and an eye lock nut. And then you can see I drilled that a little bit too much perhaps. But all's well that ends well. These go in here. These are the longer, thinner ones. And then I drilled a 3/8 hole here for the CB radio. So hopefully that'll work. Right, so I got it mocked up. Looks pretty good. You can also use it to hold a Guinness. Fantastic. Little DUI, never hurt anyone. Okay, so this thing is in. I didn't get a chance to film it because I'm just sitting here, but behind here, the cigarette lighter works. And then we also got these working as well. I plugged something in, it works pretty good. The RAM mount works nice. And this whole thing looks nice. One thing is you can't see the range in here anymore, but I think if you put some other accessories on, it'll look just fine. Overall, I'm glad it'll work. And then I got this CB radio that's up next on the docket to get in there. Anyway, long day, but thanks for following along and have a beautiful time.